Right, this is Aberdeen. Probably can't hear me too well because of all the wind. It's going all dark again. You can see a bit of light there. Yeah, it's not too bad though. We're on YouTube, the videos will compress. You might not see much, but anyway, I'll get what I can. That's the Quarter House over there, and some pubs. This is all shops down here. Shops on the bottom and offices on top. There's a top one. Yep, so it's the, oh shit, the bus came pretty close in. You see that? The bus came pretty close to me then. This is the main shopping street where all the shops are. Similar to Inverurie, where all the shops look like their offices and houses. But it's actually all shops. There we go, cross now. Can't really see it, but that's all the harbour over there. Behind that truck. Yeah, so there you go. That's Aberdeen.